Before we tackle this question, let's just have a quick reminder about multipliers, because that's the key thing about this question. Remember that if I want to increase something by 20%, I could multiply by 1.20. If I wanted to increase something by 15%, I could multiply by 1.15. If I wanted to increase something by 7%, I could multiply by 1.07. If I wanted to increase something by 1%, I could multiply by 1.01. If I wanted to increase something by 1.5%, then I'd multiply by 1.015. If I want to increase something by 1.25%, then I'm going to multiply by 1.0125. So, let's get cracking with this question. Save More. That bank is offering compound interest where it's 1.25% each year. Highbrook is offering compound interest where it's 2.1% for the first year and 0.95% for each extra year. Abby's going to invest £5,000 for 3 years and she wants to have as much money as possible. That makes sense. Which savings account should she choose? And you need to show all of your working. So let's do each of them individually and then we can make a judgment call. So Save More. She's investing £5,000 at 1.25%. So the multiplier for 1.25% is 1.0125. And that's going to be to the power 3 if she's doing that for 3 years. So on my calculator, typing that in. So at the end of the 3 years, she would have £5,189 and 85 pence. Right, Highbrook. Again, she's investing £5,000. This time she got 2.1% for the first year. So the multiplier for 2.1% would be 1.021. And she only does that for the first year. So the power there would just be 1. You don't really need the power, really, to be perfectly honest, because it's only for 1 year. For the extra years after that, for the 2 years after that, she only gets 0.95% though. So the multiplier for 0.95% would be 1.0095. And that's for 2 years. Putting that into my calculator, so 5,000 times 1.021 times 1.0095 squared. At Highbrook, she gets £5,202.46. And so now we can compare those two values and we can see that she should choose Highbrook. Moving on to part B. Before Abby decides which savings account to choose, the rate of interest for Save More account is changed to be 1.15% each year. So it was 1.25%, and they've just moved it down to be 1.15% each year. Does this affect which savings account Abby should choose? We must give a reason. Well, no, it's not going to change which ones she should choose, because she was already going to choose Highbrook. Highbrook was the one that was giving her the bigger amount, and Save More reducing their percentage is only going to reduce the amount of money that she would get with Save More, so she should definitely stick with Highbrook. So no, because she was already going to choose Highbrook, and Save More just reduced their percentage.